Hello everyone. I bought these two beautiful grass over here, and I thought they were winter hardy, but I checked, they are okay until -5 degrees centigrade, but that's it. So it can't stay outside over the winter. I actually wanted to plant it around the pond because I'm changing the plants over there. It's an ongoing project this fall and maybe until spring. But just like I said, I read about it because I wanted to position it someplace in the pond. Now it can only withstand until -5 degrees centigrade, and we do get -16, so this cannot stay outside. So what I'll do now is try to make two identical fall containers, but I don't really like to buy more plants. I have so many flowers in the garden still, and my containers are still looking really good, so I don't like to pull the plants out of there. These are the terrace containers, and my containers in front are also looking very good. So I have to check for a pot or two pots and check for plants that I can use that are already in the garden. I think I can use this euphorbia. I didn't plant this. I never planted it, but it keeps coming back, maybe from the neighbor. There's one here that just grew there. I can pull out. And there's another one here. And a few more in the garden. So I can probably pull two out to use for my containers. I think it will really fit the grass. And edible. It's a sorrel that I sometimes use for my salads. And they also self-seed if I let them. And this is one that just grew there. And it has red veins. So this will probably fit the container too that I'll be making. I can also pull out some of these ajuga that just grew there. I really have a lot of free plants that I keep giving away and transferring to my new garden. And this one is also good for the container. I can also pull out some of these chameleon plants. So I can use some of that too. There are two petunias growing in this pot, and I think this color would complement the grass. So I can pull this one out. So I think I'll use these two identical pots here. I have to pull out the white flowering or cream flowering nasturtium anyway. I'll just have to save some seeds for next year. And this one contains the yellow flowering snapdragon that I can transfer in the garden someplace, and a white flowering zinnia. So I'll be pulling those out, and I have to take out some soil so I can move the pot because the pots are very heavy. It's a ceramic pot that can withstand the frost. The fall containers are done, and except for the grass, the tall grass, I didn't buy anything. I already had the containers, and all the plants that I underplanted it with are all from the garden. I have the petunia that I pulled out from one of my containers. I have the red veined sorrel, the bug banes or ajuga, the night embers sedum, chameleon plant, the euphorbia purpurea, and the giant fragrant hyssop. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye now.